This is day 30 of what we spent as two full-time travelers on a budget of $200 Canadian a day. We had a hostel breakfast, which was $5.05 because we just paid for the upgrade on the free breakfast that I gave us. Then we went to Train Street, which is so iconic. We got some snacks while we were there. We tried the egg coffee, which was so good. Then the train came. It was way bigger than I expected, and it was so loud and so fun. Then we grabbed some more water and snacks because we needed it. Then we got some pulled chicken and drinks, which was so strange. We got taken for a ride in the most literal and figurative sense because they charged us so much money for like a 7-minute ride, and we learned our lesson on not making a price before we got in a tuk-tuk. Then we got some water and did more editing, and our hostel was $20.81 for the night, and our daily spend was under budget at $145, but our first flight balance is still $1663.07.